what is it about our interactions or about me that gave you that trust to know that the feedback was going to be valuable, or that this was a safe space, or whatever the trust factor was for you?
I think definitely being a part, knowing you for a few years. I mean, I don't know you personally, but just being in your group for a few years and hearing, and watching you post and what you say and how you are. And then when we spoke on the phone the first time, I felt and because I'm a coach, I felt you do exactly to me what I do to clients. You were like, so what I hear from you is, or so what I hear you saying. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to work with her. So I went in already feeling that you were listening to me, you heard me. And then from the beginning, I never felt like you were like, and my first meeting, I was, I couldn't find the link. I was late. I was disorganized. And I left the meeting and I was like, she must think I'm insane. Like, oh my gosh. But you, like, the whole time you weren't like, oh, you were late. You didn't, we just talked about the module and so I think that just you're very open. You're very, you create that space for us to come in and have the conversation with you. And I've now, actually, I will tell you, so I started doing what you do with my clients now, is I celebrate little wins with them. So I love that you did that. So I stole that from you. And I now do that with my clients as well.
Oh, I love that. If we can enhance the culture of celebration, I think that that's great. And, over in Write to Publish and Sell Your Novel, our Facebook group, several times a day, you see people celebrating their wins. So that is wonderful. Thank you for sharing that with me and for sharing it with your clients as well. I think that's a win for the world.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.